Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see the remaining topics of spreadsheet, that is different forms of Excel. That is, today we are going to see different forms of Excel, different forms features of Excel, how to enter data in Excel sheet, and then instead of manual entering, there is a concept called forms that we are going to see today. Forms. That is, we have already seen this topic, the features of forms in Excel. Today we are going to see. We have already seen the how to enter the data manually, that in the only cells. Today we are going to enter the data in a different way. So before that, first on completion of this period, we will be able to see the features of forms in Excel. So we have in the previous class we have seen the procedure to create the criteria range and extract the data. We have explained the procedure to create the criteria range and extract the data. So that how actually it would be in the previous class, we have seen that the procedure to select the criteria option, select data menu, select form option, select create, click on criteria option. The procedure to select the criteria option, select data menu, select form option, click on criteria option. The procedure to select the criteria option. So example slide to select the criteria option. The example slide to specify the criteria. The procedure to display the specified record. The example slide to display the specified record. The procedure to clear the contents. Select data menu, form option, clear criteria. This is another sheet to clear the contents. So as a summary, we have seen in the previous class, explain the procedure to create the criteria range and extract the data. Now today we are going to see the features of the form. Displays the fields of each record, uses to find the records, uses to modify the fields. Uses to edit the records. So the features of the forms. Displays the fields of each record, uses to find the records, uses to modify the fields. These are the features of the forms generally we use. How this form would be here like this in this screen. If you see, you can see find the previous, find next, like that. You can enter, find a new record, or search like that. If you enter one and restore, if you want to find. If you enter something like here, like that, we can have different types of options here in the forms. You can enter new record, you can enter data, you can view the data, you can have criteria range. So features of the forms: displays the fields of each record, uses to find the records, uses to modify the fields. Displays the fields of each record, uses to find the records, uses to modify the fields. Displays the fields of each record, used to find the records, used to modify the records, features of the form, uses to edit the record, allows to delete the records, allows to add the new records. So this is the procedure to open form option. Select data menu, form option here. Here it is shown the form option here. So this is the form. Here you can see this particular form option like this. In the data menu, actually we have the form option like select the cells or data, select data menu, select form option. Example slide to go to form like this. We have the resultant side of the form option like this. Example slide to go to form option. In this way, we can have example slide to go to form option. So another next after have you observed this particular screen for some time? Now let us go to another screen, that is resultant slide of the form option. Now please observe the screen for some time. What are the different options available here? Please observe the screen for some time. Next, we will go to another screen. Example slide to create a new record. How to enter data. This is how to see the data. This particular one. This is the one how to enter the data. Another screen we will see now. The example slide to show delete a record. Please observe the screen for some time. Then we can understand how to delete a record through form. How to delete the record through form. So we have another option to delete the record through form. To delete a record through form. So this is another option to delete a record through form. This is another action to example slide to show the how to edit. This is an example slide to show how to edit the form. So here we can have this particular option. So how to edit the form? How can we edit the enter the data? If you enter the data, something like, then we can have this particular option. We have various options like this. We have advanced options like forms, remove from customize quick access toolbar, show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. So we have another options like this. So that is another option we have. In that way, we have another slide to edit the data. So this is another slide to show to edit. We have already seen how to delete a record. We have already seen. So here we can have this particular options like in the sheet 2. Here we have another option like here we have another option like next, find next. So if you want to delete a record also, you can create new record also here, just like 5, like x 88 88 88. If you want we can new record also you can make. So here we have got new record. If you want to delete the record also, we can delete the record. If you want to criteria also, suppose if you want to find one. So this is the way how we generally, we want to refresh it, we can refresh it. So this is a graphical style. So in this way we have different of data. So we can delete the contents of the cell, we can enter, restore edited data. So we have different options like this. Please go through the screen for some time. Swami, Jai Sri Ram Swami. Swami, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram. బాగున్నారా? హలో, చూపించండి స్వామి. ఈరోజు శుక్రవారం, గోదావరి గోదామ్మ వారి పుట్టినరోజా? నమస్కారం. In this way we can have the data example slide to show to restore data. So in this way we can have the data. So in that way we can have the data like we have as a summary. We can have a summary. We can have the features of forms in Excel like editing the data and to restore the data, to show to edit, to delete a record, to create a record, the features to open options, features of forms, features of how to go to this particular options, various options like in editing data and deleting the record and making a record, the features of forms in Excel, frequently asked questions like explain the different features of forms in Excel, and the quiz can have essay question explain the features of forms in Excel like we have by using form option we can add a record, delete a record, edit a record, all of the above. We can add a record, delete a record, and edit a record. Both the three options we can do as shown in the previous screen. This is restoring the data, editing data, and deleting a record, creating a new record. Like that, we have different options. So in this way, we can have these questions like explain by using form option. We can have add a new record, delete a new record, edit a new record, and frequently asked question explain the different features of forms in Excel. Different features of forms in Excel. So this particular question and theory essay question explain the features of forms in Excel. We have this particular questions in these topics. Thank you, one and all. Next topic we'll see.